क्योंकि जिंदगी तो काट ही रही है हमारा, पर हमको मन है हम तो करेंगे. I think I ate it. I think it's too much. Don't cut it here. कैंची हटा रहे हैं भाई. Hi, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi Gupta and I do a lot of things and most of them are chaotic. And to keep tabs of all the chaos that I create, subscribe to my channel or don't, because I know you're gonna come back for the chaos. If you saw my last video, you already know that you are in for a crazy treat. Wait, what? You haven't seen that video abhi tak? जाके देखो, it's my comeback video, guys. Like, it's my comeback video, just like Honey Singh came back with the banger songs again. And it's not like as cool as Honey Singh, but it's my type of comeback video and I look like a snack. I'll wait, go. Thank you for clicking on the link if you did. And आज के vlog में we'll see the mental breakdown a person goes through जब उसको मन करता है कि अपना बाल खुद ही से काट ले, जैसे हम. क्योंकि जिंदगी तो काट ही रही है हमारा, तो हम अपना बाल क्यों नहीं काट सकते हैं. तो let's see how I gave myself these bangs. I am doing it. She is doing. The hair is wet and it's lined in front of my face. Should I not do it or should I do it? अब तो शुरू हो चुका है, अब तो करना पड़ेगा, right? I have zero clue what I'm doing, but I've done it before. But this time I'm not watching a YouTube video, I'm making one, so don't think I am in any way trying to tell you that this is how you should cut hair and that you should cut your hair on your own. No, I'm not saying that at all. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. पर हमको मन है हम तो करेंगे. Let's do it. I don't even think this is a partition thing is right. इधर से ज़्यादा सा लग रहा है, उधर से कम. But यहाँ से it's all, you know, working out. I can't really see. My hair is damp and I think I'm gonna leave these two face framing pieces for the end. अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, सब कुछ बहुत छोटा हो गया, तो ये दोनों लाज बचाएगा मेरा, guys. I think you got it twisted. I think it's too much hair. I think it's too much. बहुत dense हो जाएगा भाई. One thing that I've learned by doing a lot of hair cutting mistakes, a lot मतलब मेरा खुद का बाल, not किसी और का, is that if you want like this eyebrow length, don't cut it here. Cut it here क्योंकि वो छोटा हो जाएगा. It's twisted. I don't know the science behind it कि twist करने से यहाँ से whatever length होता है, but cut it here if you want it to be shorter. If you cut it here, it will come here and you look shit. But I just got my room clean, so I need something over here like a newspaper. Wait. I don't really have a newspaper, so I'm gonna use this plastic. I'm gonna just open it like that and put it neat over here. I did not leave anything for the layers. टाइप तो नहीं लगेगा. और हम ये बीच में आधा काट के क्यों कैंची हटा रहे हैं भाई. आई एम पैनिकिंग. दैट्स टू मच हेयर कमिंग आउट ऑफ माय हैंड. हो गया. I am crazy. This looks so bad. I need to do something more like that, but not on camera. I need a better mirror, please. I think I will do it on camera because the more I look in the mirror, the more nervous I am. मेरे बाल का ये रेड वाला पार्ट अगर चॉप हो गया सारा इसको मिक्स करने में, तो I would be a little sad, but if it turns out good I won't be as sad. So I think that the कैंची से पार्टीशन नहीं, कंघी से पार्टीशन करना चाहिए, guys. I learned this from my hairstylist. If this is like your center part, to pick the smallest piece, you make a Y from the center, like a Y, like that, like a small triangle on your crown, and you part the rest. And I hope, and just hope कि ये बस बीच का part हो. My legs are hurting. I don't have a better frame. I miss my house. It's not trauma dumping time, it's hair cutting time. Come on, Siddhi Gupta, you can do this. Guys, if this turns out good, it's going to be my comeback video on YouTube. And if you are watching this, welcome to my channel again. Wait, man, I'm so nervous. I want it to be good. Like, see, this much from this side, this much from this side. This looks like a Y. This looks like a Y when I'm doing this. More? Like, you want me to cut more hair, like shorter? No, babe. No, babe, I can't. This is actually one of the very cute frames in this 2x2 का room that I'm living in. क्योंकि एक ट्यूबलाइट उधर है, एक ट्यूबलाइट उधर है, and this is the frame and the background my charger ऐसे यू हो रहा है. It's a cute frame. Let's do it. My hair is not wet anymore. Neither am I. Should I? Should I? I don't want to go too short on my forehead, but I want to be able to see what's happening. Right now, I can't really see. मम्मी ब्रैड मोंडो की आत्मा मेरी रक्षा करे. Guess it must be okay. I think I ate it. No, I didn't. It was something else. Oh God, I'm scared. ऐसे सिमेट्री बनाने का कोई ऑप्शन होता तो कितना मजा आता. लाइक इधर का काटे उधर का सेम सेम हो गया. आईलाइनर तो लग नहीं पाता है मेरे से दोनों साइड का सेम. कॉन्फिडेंस ब्रो. ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आ रहा है? आई हैव नो आइडिया. देखो, आई थिंक ऐसे हाथ में पकड़ के करना वुड बी अ बैड आइडिया. आई जस्ट pull this plastic closer to me and I'll just boom 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 boom. Is that a good idea? No, I don't think so. I think that it's a good idea cutting your hair on your own. No, I don't. Nothing I do is what I recommend you doing, but I recommend कि मेरे videos देखो, थोड़े से हंस लो गंदे जोक पे मेरे, and like, share and subscribe कर दो. मेरे को पागलबंदी करते हुए देखो, थोड़ा सा मेरे फैन वैन बन जाओ. मतलब क्या ही बोले हम. आईलैश काट लिए तो क्या. can't even see क्या काट रहे हैं. आई थिंक ये थोड़ा फेस फ्रेमिंग वाला पीस है, उसको वहीं रहने देते हैं ट्रांजिशन के लिए. बोल तो ऐसे रहे ट्रांजिशन. ओ माय गॉड, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट है. अरे यार बहुत ब्लंट सा काट दिए. छी भाई, ये ऐसे कौन कैची से. एक तो ऐसा कैची मुंह काटने वाला, ऊपर से ऐसे पकड़े हैं और ऐसे काट रहे हैं. मतलब गाइस कमेंट करके बताओ कैसा लगा. इससे ज़्यादा ट्रांजिशन से हो पाएगा? कंघी का ट्रांजिशन भाई रीली भी ठीक था. ये क्या कर रहे हैं हम. ये ना, ये तो जस्ट मेरे आँख में बाल जाता रहता है खाली. It kind of looks fine. इस साइड को हग रहे हैं हम. I should leave it. हम इसको स्टाइल करके देखते हैं. और ज़्यादा बाल काटेंगे तो मेरे को बेटी होगा. And this is how it turned out. और हम इसको कोई भी स्टाइलिंग नहीं किया है बिकॉज पार्लर में जब बाल कटा के आओ, they do all this curls and waves and blowouts और वो बहुत सुंदर लगता है. पर अगले दिन जब naturally straight बाल देखेंगे तो उतना सुंदर नहीं लगता है. तो I would love to see myself in my straight hairs. But is it even? No, it's not. But yeah, so is life, very uneven with ups and downs and downs and ups. You gotta take it and you gotta embrace it the way it is. So I am going to be loving this hair for the next grow out period. But to be honest, I love this style on myself and I am 22 guys, so it has to be miserable and magical at the same time, and now is the time to leave. I will see you on Saturday in my studio working on something. Till then, be unhinged, be weird, and be yourself. And if you are any of those things, subscribe to my channel because we really might get along. Bye guys!